Yeah, came at 17. Damn.
Mama is going for the vaccine. And I'm baby, you're taking my Aadhaar card. Okay, I'm taking it along. Okay, you can't play with that. Bye. Hello, today is Sunday and I have finally got a slot for vaccination, and it's Covishield. And I am a breastfeeding mom and my son is 1 year old now, and he is on 3 feeds in the day and 1 or 2 feeds in the night. So I have breastfed him at 8 a.m. in the morning and then gave the breakfast at 10:30, and now I am leaving for the vaccination. I'll keep you updated about my condition and effect on Param in that case, and I'm going to feed him next at around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So I will tell you. So I have come here for vaccination, and there is also a doctor available here on the center. So if you have any doubts regarding that whether a breastfeeding mom can take a vaccine or not, you can directly ask them, and they are going to be present with me when I am taking a vaccine. So let's go for the vaccination. So they are providing with the free tablets also. Government is doing a lot of things for us. So vaccination is done and I have got the free tablets which I have to take at noon and at night. That is paracetamol, and they are giving it for free. Government is doing a lot of things for us, providing so many free things, and the budget is going to be really very high for all these things, as a doctor I know. And other thing is we have to wait for a half an hour after vaccination, and till now everything is going fine, just waiting. Yes, and what all things I got for while coming for vaccination is my Aadhaar card, a bottle of water, and the message which I got on the mobile that I had to show it to the registration people. So that's it. So now I'm heading towards home, and I'll keep you updated about the feeding schedule of my son Param, and if he is getting anything or if I'm getting fever or anything. But I'm going to take paracetamol round the clock, so I don't think I'll have fever or anything. So keep you updated. So it has been an hour. I have taken a vaccine and I'm at this amazing place in Surat. It's La Fiesta Pizza and Chinese restaurant. So till now everything is fine. I'll go home in a while and see Param what he is doing. I have taken my lunch and I'm taking this paracetamol medicine, as it's told that you have to take it after your lunch is over. Till now all okay. So I took vaccine at 11:35 in the morning, and almost it's 4 o'clock now, and I'm going to feed the baby and keep you updated. And yes, I would like to add that I have taken paracetamol at around 1 o'clock. So as it is a safe drug in breastfeeding mothers, but it is going to have little sleepy effect on Param also if I am going to feed him now. So that is okay. Like really? Yeah, why? It's mama and baby. What happened? Are you sleepy, baby? Are you feeling sleepy, baby? Okay, sit. Param is going to get around mama because mama left him in the morning and went to the hospital for 6-7 hours. I was not there. So Param is getting little tinky today. Param, Mitty Dali, hi, my love, my love, my love. Hi, baby. So cute. Kissy. Maman kissy. Maman kissy. Ay, you cute. Okay, this is our Corona kissy. When we, as it's Corona, so no lip and cheek touch. So he is doing like this. Okay, kissy. Param kissy. Yay! Look at friends. It is 9 o'clock in the night and it has been 10 hours after I have taken the vaccine, and I breastfed the baby twice after vaccination, and for now everything is fine. I'm just feeling this hand where the prick was done, little heavier, little weird, but other than that nothing. And I took the second dose of paracetamol which was given to me by the government at 8 p.m. sharp. One was at 1, yeah, it was at 1 after the lunch, and then after dinner I had it again. The prerequisite of the vaccination is also after breakfast, and the medicines also after dinner or lunch, whatever comes next. And that's it. I will go to sleep soon after reading a chapter from this book, which is like The Sick, and give you more update on how the night goes and in the morning. So it has been over 24 hours. I have taken vaccine and I am fine. So let me give you update about the night. I had little pain over the arm where the injectable was given, but I could sleep on that side. That was not a problem, and otherwise no problem, no pain, no fever other than that. And in the morning that pain also subsided bit, but there is little sensation over that area. So if I press it, then I feel the little slight pain, otherwise nothing. And Param is also fine. I fed him throughout the night, and that's it. So my vaccination journey was fine, and first dose was done, and after 84 days I have to take the second dose. Meanwhile, I have got the message that I should download the certificate, that I will do and keep it with me. In case if I have to visit a foreign country, then I have to show that certificate of dose 1 and 2. That was it. My vaccination journey was fine, and I am waiting for second dose so that my antibodies would be formed. And yes, one more thing, that as I am breastfeeding my son, he'll get directly the antibodies which I'll produce in result of vaccination. So that is a plus point. I will let you know after I do the antibody test after the second dose, that how many antibodies are present in my body, and keep you updated about it.